This is Katie Russell with Velo, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is the rundown.
I mean, it is the end of February. Where is this year going? I got some info over from Market Genie, one of our favorite vendors to highlight. Revenue's up, momentum is slowing a little bit. We are still coming and digging out of all the storm, and then, New York City just got hit. The good news, though, is we are up year over year. We're seeing about a 1.17%, but it is below last year. The good news is we're headed in the right direction. What are you seeing on the shop management side?
This tracks pretty closely to what we're seeing with product adoption and usage. So ARO, average repair order, definitely higher than what we've normally seen. The trend line's huge, $640 plus per ticket. That's been great, and that's really kind of carrying the market. We have seen a bit of a decrease in terms of the overall trend line for ROs created. So 4% increase week over week. It's quite a bit lower than the 8% that we saw last year. So those trend lines are kind of staying a little bit closer to what we saw in 21, 22 as we were sort of coming out of post-pandemic. So really, really interesting. If we switch over to customer acquisition and actually filling the bays, what's that looking like for the digital side?
Yeah, it's actually looking very promising. So we get access to a report from Google called Vertical Trends, and they do forecasts and estimations based on traffic with historical context, right? They have a lot of data to look at. So their 8-week forecast is like the deepest color red it can be. So this is really a great opportunity. Like if you're not running ads or if you're running ads, to kind of double down, right? Because you really want to make sure as a shop that you're hitting that annual goal you've set for yourself. We've had some soft weeks, arguably a soft month. So this is the opportunity to kind of regain that traction and position yourself for the rest of the year. I'm going to pop over to our favorite segment, the Feel Good. What do you got for us this week?
We love our partners. I wanted to do special recognition to Ashley Hoyt and Jesse Madaw, who oversee our Napa Auto Care partnership. They recently were just on site for the Napa Summit for 2026, and they received the Marketing and Service Excellence Award. I'll post a picture of it right here so you can check it out. But if you get a chance to see Jesse and Ashley, make sure to congratulate them. They do awesome work with our partnership team. Thanks, everybody, and we'll see you on the next rundown.